Have a look at this now. Up in Jordan's in Midtown on the 11th of August. What's going on around Ballon every day at the moment. Corn is being harvested. She will just take a few hours and the whole field will be done. Maybe we'll come back in a day or two and show you give you a shot or a flavour of the straw being baled. She will. Over. That's the field. It has to be all done. Right, here he comes again now. One more shot. Sorry now, my hand is not too steady. God only knows where this corn will end up. It could end up on your table as your loaf of bread. So, boys and girls, take note, have a look. Sinead, I don't know who's at the steering wheel, but he's a local Ballon person. Sinead, we leave him at it. We will not disturb him any further. Over and out.